Why do people fear rare risks and ignore common ones? Statistically, smoking and driving are far more dangerous than nuclear power or vaccines. But ask the public what they're afraid of, and you'll hear the opposite. That's the power of risk perception. People rate risks based on two key factors. 1. Dread. Is the risk uncontrollable, catastrophic, or fatal? 2. Knowability. Is it unfamiliar or poorly understood? We fear risks that feel imposed or mysterious. For example, plane crashes feel worse than car crashes. Vaccine side effects feel scarier than the diseases they prevent. Public health professionals must communicate risk not just with numbers, but with empathy. The facts matter, but so does how people feel.